Well, how are you doing? Hello, everybody. This is Miss Lena again. I'm coming to you today, and I hope everybody's doing quite well. I'm going to first read a Bible scripture from Psalms 91. And he who dwells in the secret place of the Most High, will rest in the shadows of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress. All right, thank you. That's verse 1 and 2 of Psalm 91. Thank you so much. Now, I'm getting ready to make a cookie sheet to put ice cream on top of out of cookie dough. And I have some chocolate chip dough. This is my cookie dough that I'll be using. And I'm going to be putting it in to a little cookie shell plate for the plate, okay?
She bought those from Sam's. She bought it from Sam's, I mean.
Okay. Now you can make them thicker if you would like. But these I'm going to just kind of... Okay. Just a little bit more in here. Normally this is a cookie, a little cookie pan. Okay.
Yeah, this is just a little quick video she made because somebody might want to do this tomorrow night for their guests for the Super Bowl.
And I've already sprayed the pan with the flour spray, like you would for a cake, so it won't stick. Okay. I'll be putting these in for about 10 minutes in the oven at 350. At 350. Okay, let me take my gloves off.
Okay, y'all, we'll be right back. She'll show you how she's gonna build them up.
Okay, the cookies are ready now, so I'm gonna have to mold them in so I can make it like a little bowl for you to put ice cream, or you can whatever you like. So I'm gonna take the dipper and try to mold them around and make a little hole in them, like. And as soon as they cool off, I'll be putting a dip of ice cream in. Side. Okay. 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 Go back around this one just a little bit.
Yeah, y'all get through it. It's supposed to look like this. It's supposed to look like a little bowl. Okay, once it cool off, we'll be right back.
Okay, this is my cookie bowl that I made out of the cookie dough. So I want you to see it.
This is her cookie bowl, y'all. This how it look. See, it like a bowl.
Oh, turn around. Okay, that's the way you make it by your. Take it and just keep on putting. Make it like a little bowl. Once the cookie get almost when it's hot, just press it around. Okay, then that's one of them. This is one that you did not see. This one has another bowl. Now you can take this one, and you can put the ice cream in it. I let this one cook a little bit longer, so this one will be a little darker. Because it cooked a little bit longer, but it's a little different because it made it in a smaller pan. But this will be where you put, like you call it, ice cream bowl or whatever, pudding bowl, or you can put cookies in it or cakes if you like. Okay. Now I'm going to put my ice cream in this one. Okay. Okay. Okay, now I'll be putting just a little bit of Cool Whip on it. And you can also put cherries on it or whatever you have. But I didn't have any cherries today, so. And I didn't have the Ready Whip also.
And y'all, usually what they do, they stack it real high. She just put a couple of scoops. They usually have like stack it real high. We usually stack it like real high, and then and you can put like pecans or usually we put peanuts on it, and sometimes you can make banana splits with them too. We didn't have any bananas to make the banana splits with them, but you can make banana splits with them.
Okay, and give me 2 or 3 pecans. I have a few pecans I'll be putting around. I don't have the cherries. I want to put something on it. Okay. Okay. So now I'll be pouring also a little bit of Hershey chocolate syrup. You can just put a whole lot of stuff on it. Anything that you like.
Yeah, it'd be good for Super Bowl. You have guests make them, and you can have like a little ice cream bar. We have your little ice cream condiments. It's really neat.
Okay. Now, I'm sorry I don't have a cherry to put on it.
And this is how it looks.
That is totally delicious. Okay.
And like I said, you can put peanuts, or you can put whatever you want on top.
Yeah. Maybe pineapples, or also any kind of fruit. Also, put whatever type of fruit that you might like also around it. The citrus type fruit like pineapples. I don't know about oranges, but I know pineapples go good with all kind of things like this. But anyway, this is the cookie sheet. What I call the cookie cake. That will be the cookie bowl made out of cookie dough. And this is something that you can buy. And it doesn't take very long, about 15 or 20 minutes to put it in the oven. Once you put it in a cookie bowl, a cookie sheet, put it into, you can put it in a muffin tin or whatever and make this. And it's very good. So I wanted you all to see that because that might be something that you can make for tomorrow.
And these came out of a muffin pan, and you just put the ice cream down into the center of it and build it up.
Okay. I didn't want to put ice cream in all of them because there's no one here to eat it but me, so I can't eat all that ice cream. So that's why I didn't want to put any in there. So, but anyway, I thank you guys for looking, and I hope you will take this in mind that this is a little quick dessert that you might be able to make. And like I said, you can if you don't want to put the ice cream, something that you may have already available that you can use, and I think it'll be delicious for your guests. And I thank you so much for watching. Take this, and I hope you will use it. And this is from Miss Lena's Kitchen for something that you can use for maybe Super Bowl. And I thank you so much. God bless you all. Have a blessed day, and have a blessed Super Bowl day. Goodbye. Love you all.